नमस्कार मित्रांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता 10वी प्रिलियम एक्झाम सब्जेक्ट सायन्स अँड टेक्नॉलॉजी पार्ट 2 मार्क 40 आहे आणि टाईम 2 तास देण्यात आलेला आहे. आज आपण इयत्ता 10वी सेमी मीडियमचे सराव प्रश्नपत्रिका बघत आहोत. विज्ञान भाग 2 आहेत. चला तर आपण सराव प्रश्नपत्रिका बघूया. त्या अगोदर जर चॅनल सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर प्लीज सबस्क्राईब करून ठेवा. असे प्रकारची तुम्हाला अजून व्हिडिओची सराव प्रश्नपत्रिका तुम्हाला मिळत राहतील. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे की चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव्ह अँड रिराइट द सेंटेंस. फर्स्ट, जेनेटिक रिकॉम्बिनेशन occurs in the phase of प्रोफेस ऑफ meiosis 1. आणि सेकंड आहे man can be considered as the first example of wise man. And third, the property of stem cell is called. आणि फोर्थ आहे helps to improve concentration in these studies. And is a powerful antibiotic against tuberculosis. And B, answer the following. Fill in the boxes with the help of given clue. Requirement for stress-free life. And second आहे name the common step of aerobic and aerobic respiration. And third आहे state whether the following statement is true or false. Gender of dizygotic twins is always same. And 4, match the columns. Keratin, muscles, skin, blood. What type of pollution is depicted in the below picture? Give anyone control measure against this pollution. And question second, give scientific reason any to the construction of turbine is different for different types of turbines. Second, ballon gases is connecting link between non-quadrate and quadrate. And third, microbial enzymes are said to be eco-friendly. B, answer the following any three. First, write the note on Darwin's theory of natural selection. Second, define the terms vestigial organs, DNA fingerprinting. Identify the given finger and mention its film. 4 question, complete the following chart. Threatened species. And 5th question, give any 4 points of difference between glycolysis and Krebs cycle. And question 3, answer the following question any 5. Observe the diagram, identify the labeled parts and add a function of each of these. And second question, what is the meaning of the given symbol and what is their significance in environment? And third, complete the following chart. Maintenance of biotechnology. And 4, observe the figure and answer question. And first, what peculiarity do you observe in the figure of non-metaphase first of meiosis? And second, what is the important difference between and telophase and telophase second of meiosis? And third, which figure shows phenomenon of crossing over? And 5, observe the figure and answer the question given below. What do these figures indicate? Give two example of such event. What care should be taken by a person to avoid such events? Which precaution will you take during spraying of pesticides? And explain the various types of RNA. And 8. Observe the given picture and write its characteristic. And question 4. Answer the following. Any to solve the following cross puzzles. Maximum energy generation in India is done using energy. Energy is renewable source of energy. Solar energy can be called radiance energy. Energy of wind is used in windmills. Energy of water is dams is used for generation of electricity. And second, which different methods are used for transportation of proteins? Why? अशा प्रकारे इथे प्रश्नपत्रिका संपलेली आहेत. जर तुम्हाला अजून विषयाची पाहिजे असेल तर तुम्ही खाली कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये सांगा आणि जास्तीत जास्त हा चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करा आणि जास्तीत जास्त आपल्या मित्रमैत्रिणींना शेअर करा. काही शंका असेल तर तुम्ही खाली कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये सांगू शकता. थँक्यू.